Hi everyone, today I'm showing you some items that annual members can choose for their fall FabFitFun box. Don't forget, if you're an annual member, that means you get to customize your entire box. We have a huge variety of products for you to choose from and some bundles. All depends on what you want. Now we have a lot to get into, so let's get started. Let's get started with the Ren Clean Skincare Evercalm Global Protection Day Cream. So this is an everyday moisturizer that will leave your skin hydrated and replenished. It's good for all skin types, so whether you have dry, oily combination, this is for you. So the thing that sets this apart is that it has a protection complex that protects your skin from dehydration and pollution, two things we want no part of. So this smells kind of like its name. It smells really clean, it's really light. It's gonna go on your skin and just feel like you've barely got anything on. As someone who lives in LA, this is definitely a big one for me. We're not exactly known for having the cleanest air in the world, so glad to have my protection to protect my skin. All right, so next up we've got a bundle from FEKKAI of hair masks, and we're gonna start off with the Roots to End Balm. This mask is gonna bring your damaged strands back to life in minutes. It will repair after color treatment, heat treatment, or chemical treatments. This is going to infuse your hair with hydration for a real lasting repair. So it smells like almond and, oh yes, the familiar scent of tonka bean. You guys know what tonka bean smells like. Who doesn't? Smells like this. So you're gonna apply this after a shampoo, roots to tip, leave it in for 3 to 4 minutes. If you want to have a more intense repair, you can just put it in on towel dried hair and leave it in all day. So this is Technician Color Powerful Flash Mask, and this is to protect your color. It has a formula that reduces friction between your strands, and that helps reduce fading. It also protects your hair from brassiness and the sun. You know, sometimes treatment masks can smell really chemically, but this smells like fruit. It smells like fall in an orchard, or like peaches. It's fantastic. So to apply this one, again, you apply from roots to tip after you've shampooed, and then just leave it in for 1 to 2 minutes. Nice, easy, quick. Rinse it out. All right, so next we've got the Beyond Yoga Infinity Hidden Pocket Scarf. So, you know, we're ladies, we love pockets. This has a hidden zippered pocket that you can put anything in while you hike. You can put your wallet, your keys, your phone, wherever you're going, working out, outdoors, and you don't want to carry stuff around. You got it right here in your trusty scarf. Next up, we have the Algenist Complete Eye Renewal Balm. So this is gonna help minimize the appearance of wrinkles, dark circles, puffiness, the things we want to remove. It also will nourish your delicate eye area and hydrate the skin. You know we love hydration. So as a new mom, although he's over a year old now, as a mother of a toddler, I definitely can, you can maybe see on my face that I've woken up in the middle of the night here and there. I always like to apply with that ring finger, That's what they say. Really delicate, nourish those under eyes. Do I look like someone who doesn't have a child? Next up, we've got the Jenny Bird Austin Cuff. This is a mix of classic and modern chains all brought together into one really cute cuff. So this is great for someone who loves stacking their jewelry, but you don't want a bunch of pieces. This just does it for you. This is just really cute. Makes me feel like kind of trendy and fun. And I'm actually going out to dinner with my girlfriends on Friday night. This is going to be accompanying me. All right, so this next group of products are going to be bundled in groups of 2, and we're going to start off with the dpHUE Dry Shampoo Powder. So this is gonna help absorb oils and impurities to just quickly give a refresh to your style. What I love about dry shampoo is that it also adds some lift and texture that wouldn't be in there otherwise. This also reduces the amount of times you wash your hair, so it's gonna keep your hair color fresh for longer. And also, like, maybe you don't have time to shower every day. Maybe there's a baby who's like, I need you. And you're like, okay, my hair is more important. No. Just use this. So what you're gonna do is divide your hair into sections and then sprinkle a little bit on, absorb all those impurities, and then you can just massage it fully into your scalp. It'll disappear. This is really great to use before bed, so that way your product is working while you're sleeping. Double duty. And when you wake up, your hair is ready to go. Next up, we've got the Serefina Crystal Cuff Bracelet. So this is an adjustable cuff bracelet with CZ stones and 14 karat gold plated over brass. This is perfect for layering with other pieces, or you can just wear it on its own. It stands out. And because it's adjustable, it's one size fits all. Next up, we've got the Beauty PAPIER Golden Superfood Shower Gel. So this is gonna give you that spa experience right at home in the comfort of your shower. Oh, so definitely like a really nice spicy pumpkin smell, and I can also definitely smell the orange. It also has argan, apricot, and aloe vera. It's also packed with antioxidants, so it's gonna keep your skin feeling super soft and hydrated. Sometimes a shower is like the only place where you can be alone, and this is gonna make that moment smell and feel a lot better. All right, so next up we've got our MakeupDrop Makeup Applicator. So this is the perfect tool to apply your makeup. It's gonna make your foundation look completely seamless. So what makes this one really special and different is that it's got this hypoallergenic silicone end to it. So you can use that for skincare, cream, liquid. It'll help apply all of it perfectly. And if you're using the sponge part, you just wanna get it a little damp with water, squeeze it out before you apply your products. Comment down below, I'm curious to know, are you a sponge person? Do you like a brush, or you just apply it with your hands? All right, lastly, I'm gonna show you the products that are coming in a bundle of 3. I'm gonna show you each product individually, and then at the end, we'll show you the bundles that you can choose from. First up, we've got our Babe Lash Pro Lash Lifter. I actually used this today. Oh yeah, can I do this without a mirror? I sure can. It also comes in rose gold, which we love, super cute color. And it's got this silicone pad at the bottom, so it keeps it really comfortable while you use it. Pro tip, if you want a more natural look, decrease the pressure towards the tip of your lashes. Next up, we've got the Kayo Body Scrubber. This has soft silicone-like bristles that help exfoliate and remove dirt when you wash. It's also antimicrobial, so it's great. I love it because you'll avoid the buildup that gets on loofahs and washcloths that gets kind of nasty. This is gonna keep you clean for real. Another thing I love about this is you can either hang it on a hook, or if you get it wet, it'll just stick to your shower wall. So use it, you're just gonna use your favorite body wash, put it on here, rub the bristles together, get a nice lather. You can use these little finger holes and wash yourself. Next up, we've got the 2 Bandits Tiered Catchall. So this is really cool because you can keep it open to keep your items on display if you want to, or you can close it and hide your clutter away. I love to have this right by the nightstand. At the end of the night, you take off the ring, you take off the earrings. They're right there. You know that they're safe. I also keep my headphones nearby for when I need to have, some podcasts to go to sleep. This is the Hip Lunch Pack. It's a reusable lunch sack. So this is perfect to use in place of a one-time use plastic bag or even a paper lunch sack. This is reusable over and over again. It helps you be more sustainable. So it even rolls down like a traditional bag. Keep it closed, and then you just have this handy little snap. All done. It's also great because if you have anything that has condensation on it, it's not gonna break through here. Like a paper bag would dissolve, this is gonna keep it nice and dry. Comment below and tell me what you're gonna put in your Hip lunch pack. What's your favorite lunch to take? All right, so this one's for our UK members. We've got our Image Skincare Ormedic Balancing Lip Enhancement Complex. So this has a super hydrating formula that improves the volume of your lip contours. It's gonna replenish and hydrate to make your lips look fuller. So to use it, you're just gonna apply to your lips morning and evening, or as needed throughout the day. It really just feels like a regular lip balm, nice and light. It's almost got like a bubble gum flavor, and it's got a little bit of a tingle to it, so you know that it's working. All right, up next, we've got our Beautaniq Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels. So these have a one-of-a-kind shape that conforms to any eye. Cute little wings. So you're gonna put the pointy ends out to the ends of your eye to target your under eye puffiness, and you're just gonna tap them lightly, make sure there are no air bubbles, and then just leave them on for about 15 minutes. Here's a pro tip. When you take them off, there's gonna be some excess. Just leave it on, pat it, let it absorb, get all that extra goodness. It comes with a set of 4, so you get a whole month's worth of eye masks to use. Just use it once a week. All right, now we've got our Earth Harbor Marina Brightening Ampoule. This is gonna brighten and balance your skin for an even, radiant complexion. This has spirulina in it, which is a superfood. It's gonna brighten your skin and protect you from the environment. There's 2 ways to use this. If you wanna use it hyper-concentrated, you can take 1 to 2 drops, put it directly on your skin after cleansing, and just massage it in. And if you wanna add it to just your regular routine, you can put 2 or more drops into your regular moisturizer and just put it in day and night. For best results, store this at room temperature and out of direct sunlight. This is really light. It's not too oily. It's got that really beautiful blue color. 1 drop you can rub in just about that quickly. Really easy. Up next is our Dr. Rogers Restore Lip Balm. This is gonna provide relief from dry and chapped lips. So what I love about this is that it's made from 3 ingredients, so there's no added fragrance or harsh ingredients in this. It's just a light, waxy, doesn't smell like anything, really nice and simple way to keep your lips hydrated. And finally, we have our Cali Cosmetics Capri Body Wash. This is a bath gel that's gonna leave your skin silky smooth. It's made with Italian olive oil, which is gonna help hydrate the skin. What's great about this is that it's a fantastic body wash, but it also doubles as a bubble bath. pour yourself a little glass of champagne, get in the bubble bath, have yourself a nice time. You deserve it. And here are the items that are bundled into groups of 3. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not already a FabFitFun member, sign up at FabFitFun.com. What are you waiting for? You can get these amazing products. Sign up right here. Comment down below. Let me know what your choice is going to be for this category, and I'll see you next season.